and simultaneously also the 8 Ashtashaktrik bhav. Ramanja, Kompasu, Durvarno, tears standing in, tears running down from his eyes. And so these are the 8 Ashtashaktrik movements. So here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami compare Mahaprabhu's body as like golden mountain. Jano, Sarno, what is in this one?
Baba Pushpa Druma Tahe Puspita Sakala.
No, Mahaprabhu's Sharir Jana.
Prabhura Sharira Yana Shuddha Himalachala.
Suddha Hemo Achala. Suddha means pure. Hem means gold. Achal means mountain. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body is as like pure golden mountain. And all the moods, ha, bhav, hela, krikanchid, bikop, there got 20 types of Vingsati, 20 types of moods are there. And also Ashtashaktrik Vikar, 8 ecstatic mood coming. And so all these moods as look like very nice, beautiful, and blossom flowers. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he dancing and with his devotee, especially Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, and that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's these types of ecstatic mood manifested. And because same ways here also explain this way in Vrindavan, when Srimati Radhika, she performed Ras dance with Krishna and with her Sakhis Lalita, Visakha and others. The same here they compare with this way. And, but here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's all types of ecstatic mood. And so much attracted, more than Srimati Radhika. At the more than Srimati Radhika use this word because these types of mood, Srimad Bhagavatam, Vasudev Goswami, but Sukdev Goswami Pad did not glorified by explaining. Not possible for him. Because Sukdev Goswami Pad, but very nearest dear is Sukapakshi, the parrot of Srimati Radhika. So when Sukdev Goswami Pad remember Srimati Radhika's that types of separation mode, that time he completely hurt and fainted. So for this regard, in the assembly of Parikshit Maharaj, Sukdev Goswami Pad, he did not describe all the moods of Srimati Radhika. Just in separation mode, and that is called Srimati Radhika's Sam Viraha, that is called Brahmargit. Jalpa, Jalpa, Sujalpa, Vijalpa, Pratijalpa, etc. Only 10 slokas Sukdev Goswami Pad glorified Srimati Radhika's Viraha. Then not possible. Because here our Sanatana Goswami Pad and Vishwanath Chakravarti and others Acharya explain, when Sukdev Goswami Pad remember to Srimati Radhika's these types of mood, Sanmasik Bhavet Murcha. Sanmasik means 6 months. Sukdev Goswami completely fainted. Understand this thing. So for this regard, he did not mention these things. And most of the time Sukdev Goswami Pad, he became what is called Bhavavishta. Bhavavishta means absorbed with his transcendental divine love, and tears rolling down because 7 days and 7 nights continue. Sukdev Goswami Pad, he spoke Bhagavad Katha to Parikshit Maharaj. And so we try to understand how many hours Parikshit Maharaj he was listening Bhagavad Katha. How many hours? And and 7 days and 7 nights continue. And how many hours you can sit and listen Harikatha? Parikshit Maharaj continue 7 days and 7 nights. And then 24 hours multiply 7. And so how many? 168 hours and continuity. And even he did not, Sukadeva Goswami, he did not drink water also, 1 drop of water. No food, nothing. No sleeping, nothing. And could you imagine this? Parikshit Maharaj, Sukadeva Goswami also continue his post. But how do you sometimes, and Sukadeva Goswami completely absorbed in divine love. That is called Bhavavishta. Understand? This is it. And so now coming in this, how possible Srimati Radhika, these types of separation mode and all kinds of ecstatic mode, this is not possible. But here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, and that is called Kasturi Manjari. And Srimati Radhika very near that is called Kasturi Manjari. Now Kasturi Manjari, and that means Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, and describes same Srimati Radhika's mood which manifested and in the heart and body of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And the Mahaprabhu, when absorbed in the separation mode of Srimati Radhika Viraha, that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu hears, that is called Lomkup. Lomkup means, what is called? Pores of this body is as like the throne of a simul tree. You know simul tree? What is that? One kind of cotton tree. You know. Actually, this cotton is coming from and from that trees. When you are used to go, Gaya Vrindavan. That time there, when you walking, you have sometimes you have the big thorn, and the tree was very tall, and the thorn is very thick and also very. So Chaitanya, you can imagine Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pose, and as like this, and sometimes the blood coming. Whole Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's body as like this. And so the similar Vrikha Jana Prabhura Sarvagai. Similar Kanta Jana Prabhura Sarvagai. Similar with the thorn and of the simul Vriksha, that is called cotton tree. Two kinds of cotton tree, and one is simul and another is karpas. Karpas means also one is not so small flange, and also cotton coming. Or another, actually there is simul. That throne is as a Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One very nice, beautiful also this. So for this regard, here Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami using his word, the Mahaprabhu's body as like very nice, beautiful and golden mountain. and all the bhav moods as nice beautiful blossom flowers. And so for the and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be dancing, singing. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Gambhira, that time Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, so they also pacified to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sarupir Gana Rayero Natak, Biroher Kale Dvihe Rakhe Paran. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from Krishna, कहाँ मोर प्राणनाथ मुरली वदन, कहाँ जाऊँ कहाँ पाऊँ ब्रजेंद्र नंदन, कहाँ रे कही व दुख के जाने मार दुख ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना पाठ मार बुक. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sometimes thinking, I am Radha, now my beloved Krishna left me. This Viraha. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu crying and crying. And that is Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda. Especially Sarup Damodar, he recited some Bengali verses from Vidyapati and Chandidas. Vidyapati, Chandidas, they are very ancient poet also. And they wrote many Srimati Radha and Krishna's Viraha separation mode. These things. This Viraha side there. So he has also explained this. That means when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, and Srimati Radhika, she can't to survive her life also. But this Viraha also three types Viraha. One is called Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, and Bhavya Viraha. Bhavi Viraha means when Akrut came in Vrindavan and bring to Krishna Balram, Vrindavan to Mathura. Still Krishna in Vrindavan. But when Gopis they heard, tomorrow Krishna, he will go Vrindavan to Mathura. That time Gopis they felt pang of separation. And with their own groups, Jutha, they start to cry. And they express their heart. That is called Bhavi Viraha. Still Krishna is there, but they are feeling separation from Krishna. And Bhavi Viraha, then Bhavya Viraha. Bhavi, Bhavya and Bhavan. Bhavan means, Bhavya means, now first is Bhavan Viraha. And when Krishna and proceed to Vrindavan on the chariot of Akrura, that time Gopis they stop the road. They completely lay down. They don't want to allow to Krishna to go Vrindavan. Mathura. This. And they felt separation. This. Are Bhavi and then Bhavya Viraha. When Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, many days passed away, and by day their Viraha also going up and up. So these types of Viraha are explained here: Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha and Bhavya Viraha. So now coming this way, in the same way Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he felt same Viraha mood of Srimati Radhika. Or then according to the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Sarup Damodar, he recited some verses, Vidyapati and Chandidas. Vidyapati, Chandidas, they are kirtan. Very high class and Viraha Bhav also there. Some Milanatmak and some Virahatmak. Milanatmak means some meeting mood and some separation mood. And remember, actual Viraha means is what? In the first day, Viraha means whatever the meeting before met together, and that time that things also now remembering. That is called Viraha. V means special. Raha means meeting. Special meeting. अर्थात in past what how they meet together, now they are feeling separation. These things. Different poets, they also wrote many things also this way. This way. Sometimes I also sing one song. What is that? मन पिंजराई बैसलाम. Just I forget. That means in the case of my mind, I also nourishment to you. Understand? That means Srimati Radhika, she expressed her heart in front of Sakhi's Lalita Visakha. I also kept you in my Hriday Pinjara. Pinjara means cage. Understand? The cage of my heart. In this way, we nourishment together with love and affection. মন পিঞ্জরায় বৈশিয়া ভালোবাসিলাম. I mean, we love together in our case of heart. But how will also to run away from this cage? Because when the birds are staying in the cage, first they also close. They close the door. Then when the birds, their habit is coming to stay in the cage, that time owner open the door. Then bird every day coming, going. Bird is thinking, this is my nest. Yeah, sometimes you can see. And in the top of the trees, people also keeping the nest. The birds coming, going, they are thinking, this is my nest. But here Srimati Radhika is saying this way. But now the same case is that, but you flew away, ran away. This thing. So how we are very cruel. मन पिंजराय बैसा तोरे भालोबासिलाम. And every day and night, we are remembering to each other. सकाल संध्या प्रेमेर परस लागित से जे गाय. सकाल संध्या माने morning and evening, both we also remembering to each other. একটা প্রহর না দেখিলে পাগল হইত মন. One, what is একটা প্রহর means? Maybe one প্রহর means 3 hours. Even Ashtajam Leela, how many hours? 24 hours. That is divided in 8 hours. 8 days. That is called one prahar means about 3 hours. But some less, some easy. Some also prahar little bit less, and some also a little bit. So now saying this way, যে একটা প্রহর না দেখিলে পাগল হইত মন. One prahar means 3 hours. If not to meet to each others, your mind will become crazy. These things. So now here Srimati Radhika says, how you left to us? Man pasani. So now how your heart is as like thunderbolt. And even you will not talking to us, not taking any what is called message, not anything. That means your heart is as like thunderbolt. Or that time you say every second when you wake up early in the morning, and remember to me. I remember to you. Because prema is not coming one way. Prema is coming, love coming from two ways. Sakal Sandha. Sakal Sandha. Sakal means morning. Sandha means evening. Premesh Paras Lagita Siji Guy. How is you completely absorbed to each other? Understand? And sometimes, and that time we also is talking to each others and whole night. This thing. So how you are doing this? Then explain this way. For some Bengali verse is there. দুই চোখের নাঙ্গর তুলি তরি প্রেমে ভাসাইয়া. And when lover and beloved, they are how they are talking to each other. How they are talking? Eyes to eyes. When lover and beloved, they are meeting together and speaking to each other, their eyes not going right side to left side. So even if one person is go away this way, they are not looking. Understand? They are taking eyes to eyes. So here this in this Bengali verse explain, and your eyes is as like the ankles not the no wait anchor anchor of the boat, and completely you had pulled out. Boat is what? And floating, and in the middle of the river, and issue. In the same way, we also and talking to each other and completely absorbed to each other. And now you left me. Manpasani keman kariya. So how will your heart is, mind is become very cruel and hard-hearted or thunderbolt. These things. So many also this song. That is called Biraha. Biraha. So I am saying, because when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, these types of mood coming, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not say anything. Just Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is remembering. And then Sarva Damodar Ramananda, they knew the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That time they also sang these types of songs. Then Mahaprabhu Viraha more and more increased. Understand? Viraha means is what? Remembering before sweet meeting. Or now it is tears for example. Good Premanand. Yeah. What is it?
Domingo lá no templo do Rio, a gente leu artigo de Srila Gurudeva Narayana sobre Damodar Rasa.
Sunday in the temple in Rio, we read an article of Srila Paramudesha Narayana Goswami Maharaj about Damodar Rasa.
E o autor, o poeta Vaishnava, que agora não me lembro.
Damodar Ashtakam.
E o poeta, o autor, o Vaishnava, ele ficava pensando, Srila Gurudeva Narayana explica, que ele ficava pensando quanta austeridade Nandanandana e Jashodanandana teve que fazer para poder ter Krishna como filho.
In this article, they were saying that Satyavrata Muni was expressing in the song how much austerities did Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda had to do to have Krishna as their kid.
E então ele lembrava de Drona e Charya, né? Drona e Dara. Drona e Dara, né? Que durante vidas e vidas fizeram austeridades para poder ter Krishna como filho.
Yeah, so you remember the story of Drona and Dara, that for many lives they did austerities to have Krishna as their son.
Então, Srila Gurudeva Narayana cita um shloka do Stavamala de Rupa Goswami, que Rupa Goswami diz assim, que nós nunca vamos conseguir fazer essas austeridades, nós não vamos conseguir ter essa firmeza para fazer tudo isso durante vidas e vidas seguidas. Então, o Sri Rupa Goswami chora porque ele não vai alcançar essa misericórdia de ter o darshan do Senhor. Então, você entendeu?
And also in this article, he's also quoting the sloka of Stavamala, Rupa Goswami Pad. I think that Bhajana is saying that we cannot do this kind of austerities for many lives, so it's very difficult for us. And Rupa Goswami in this sloka, he's very humble, asking for the mercy.
Então a pergunta the question, nós não temos a menor, nós não temos nenhuma qualificação para fazer essas austeridades. E como que nós vamos ter o darshan do Senhor, o darshan do casal divino, dos pés do casal divino? O Goswami fala, nós estamos, Gurudeva, completamente dependentes da sua misericórdia. E sofrendo muito, porque o Goswami diz que o devoto só pode chorar e implorar pela misericórdia. É isso, nós temos alguma chance de testar?
So, in the same way, we also don't have any ability to perform any austerity, so our only hope is your mercy, Gurudev. And so in the same way, so this is for, like us, do we have any chance to attain the darshan of Radha and Krishna? Because like in this sloka, even Rupa Goswami is saying we cannot do any austerity, so we're just hoping for this mercy. So
Name first you to answer Drona and Dhara. Drona and Dhara, they are Jiva Tattva. Understand?
Yes.
They perform hard austerities to Brahma. Then Brahmaji asked any benediction. That time Drona and Dhara asked to Brahma, give the Vatsala Bhav towards Krishna in our heart. They did not ask that Krishna would become our son. They did not ask this. They asked, we want Vatsala Bhav this towards Krishna. That time Brahmaji, he gave benediction. Here in this verse also explained, Drona and Dhara, they perform hard austerities. 1,000 years, not 1 day. So how to receive the Vatsala Prem towards Krishna? Do you understand this? Another things, Drona, what is it called? Nanda and Jasoda, they are not Jiva Tattva. They are the Parikar Tattva, eternal associates of Krishna. And Krishna's eternal mother and father, Nitya Mata Pita. But when Brahmaji, he gave benediction to Drona and Dhara, the Vatsala Bhav manifested in their heart. So when Krishna with the Jogmaya manifested this Leela in Bhauma Vrindavan, Anugraha Bhaktanang Manusam Dehamasrita. When Nanda Jasoda appeared in this material world, and Krishna Leela, then same Drona and Dhara, they entered in the body of Nanda and Jasoda. In this way, they relish Vatsala Bhav towards Krishna. And Drona and Dhara, they are not the eternal parents of Krishna. They are Jiva Tattva. But they relish this Vatsala Bhav under guidance of Nanda and Jasoda. And this time. So now coming in this way, the here Rupa Goswami Pad, very humble, he is saying this way. Actually, Rupa Goswami Pad is the eternal associate of Srimati Radhika, that is called Rupa Manjari. But in Mahaprabhu's Lila, acting the role of Rupa Goswami, so he is very humble, he is using this one. What do you say to others rasas, mellows? The Vatsala Ras, and how Nanda, Jasoda, they relish. So how will relish this Vatsala Ras? Because Drona and Dhara, millions years, they perform hard austerities. Or what kinds of our austerities now? Nothing. When you compare with our previous acharyas, how did they perform bhajan and sadhana hard austerity? And now our hard austerity is bhajan sadhana is what? In front of them, complete hard. And useless, nothing. Then पाषाण की भी बराबर नहीं है. पाषाण समझते हो? No, you don't understand पाषाण. So when you balance the two balance to equal, and sometimes you also give little bit some dust or sand, then the balance that will be proper. So that means, so that word is called pasan. That is not the measurement. That's the how to fix the balance. So in the same way, our previous acharyas, how they perform hard austerity to bhajan and sadhana. We are nothing in front of them. How our Goswamis, 6 Goswamis, they perform bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan. And now, how we are performing bhajan and sadhana? संख्या पूर्वक नाम गान नतिवी काल अवसान कृत निद्रा आहार विहार विहार विचिंत चातु दिनों चो राधा कृष्ण गुण स्मृति मधुरिमा आनंदेन सर्मोहित वंदे रूप सनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको. 6 Goswamis, they perform bhajan and sadhana, hard austerity. They conquer the sleep. They conquered their hunger, everything. Sometimes they took some chickpeas, or sometimes completely hard, full fast. Look how they do. And they perform bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan one night, and they took rest under one banyan, one tree, and going to another tree. Who can do this way? Not possible. So how will attain the highest prem? Sometimes we are not coming also Mangala Arati because sleepiness, laziness coming. Maybe go later, then Mangala Arati finished. Maybe not coming. Or our Goswamis, how did they perform bhajan? Sankha Purvaka, every day they chanted, fixed round chanting holy names. Sometimes our devotees, they forget to chant their Gayatri mantra also. Understand? So how possible they attain this prem? Sometimes they chanted 1 round, 2 round, 0 rounds. So try to understand this. In the same way, Rupa Goswami Pad also again explain and how Prahlad Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj performed hard austerities. For this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad, he quoted one verse. Virachai Mahi Dandam. That is one kind of skylark, small bird. They are not drinking water from the river, pond or other place. When the, what is called, rain coming, rain, and sometimes also lightning, that time they also drinking on that the drop of the water. Yes, Rupa Goswami Pad, he quoted this verse, Viruchai Mahidannam. So that means how they perform hard austerities. Here Rupa Goswami Pad compare his own austerities towards with that birds, skylark, one kind of bird. Chastua Chatoke, you know, that bird's name is called Chatak Pakshi. Chatak Pakshi means one kind of small bird. They are not drinking and the water of the pond or river, not this. When the rain comes, that time. And sometimes they are very dangerous, sometimes also, what is called lightning. So that means how they perform hard austerities. In the same way, Rupa Goswami Pad, he compared. Their austerities are our austerities or nothing. We compare our austerities to our Goswami's austerities. Or Goswami, they are thinking how their austerities, they are thinking compared with Chatak Pakshi. So this is step by step. So Rupa Goswami Pad in this verse, very humble saying, I have no austerities. So how will he receive these types of prem? This is called his humility, Daina. And prem manifests one's heart, he will become very humble. This is the case. Or who has no prem, nothing. That time he will become very proud. I have this. So here Rupa Goswami Pad explained this way. Because Santaras, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya Ras. 5 primary rasas. But if you want to very valuable and topmost rasa, you also do that types of hard austerities. If you want to go Vaikuntha, not so much hard austerities. Understand? As a Ajamil. And Ajamil, and he gave up all his bad things. Then he came in Haridwar and drank the water of the Ganges and chanting holy names. Then he attained to Vaikuntha Dham. If you want to go Vaikuntha Dham, this way. Namabhase Ajamil Paile Vaikuntha. Or if you want to go Ajodhya, Dwarka, Mathura or Golok Vrindavan, more and more hard austerities. And especially if you want to go Golok Vrindavan and serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari Devi itself. So what kinds of austerity bhajan sadhana need? And at least need how many births? 3 births you need. And if you go deep Vaikuntha, second chance go. And second birth you can go. Very simple. Or if you want to go Golok Vrindavan, there are some process. First you give up this body, if your bhajan sadhana is perfect. Then you will take birth in where? Bhauma Vrindavan, where Krishna Lila is going on. And take birth home of the gopis. Gopi Dhyasara. Then you associate with Nitya Siddha Parikars. Understand? Gopi Deha Prapta, Nitya Siddha. Then when Krishna Lila will finish, then Krishna will take you in Golok Vrindavan. At least need how many births? 3 births. Try to understand this. Are Navadvip Vrindavan both are same, just two, what do you call? Two sides of the prayer. And sometimes you are saying, okay, first take birth in Vrindavan, Navadvip, then Navadvip to come to Vrindavan. Actually, this is the different mood, Bhav. Gaur Premanande, now 9 o'clock. What do you say?
We hear many examples of persons who committed so many sinful activities, and by associating with the sadhus, they gave up all of this and became like Mrigari and Ajamil. They committed so many sinful activities. By associating and following the instructions of sadhu, then they became like great personalities. But what is the hope for someone who again and again is committing Vaishnava aparad? Or maybe not in this life, in previous life he has committed so many aparads. There's so many of these examples of persons who committed sinful activities, but not Vaishnava aparad. And even like Jadai Madai, they offended, no, they hit Nitai, but then after they took shelter of him, they promised they would never do. But then what is the hope for a person even after taking shelter of him, he still is committing aparad, or in previous life he has committed so many aparad? How can he develop his body inside?
How they Then when again Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come? When Lord Chaitanya will come? One day of a Brahma. Brahma ek dine teho hon avaturni. One day of a Brahma means 1000 Chaturjuga. Satta Trita Dapar Kali. In this way, 1000 times rotation. And the end of Daparji in the beginning of the Kali Yuga. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come. But there are no guarantee. Understand this? Because if you committed offense, then Mayadevi again and again, so what to do? And millions birth, we are going to do this. For this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Nadi Prabhai Jano Kashta Lage Tire. And when flood coming, and many trees they also uprooted and going to the river to going to ocean. And understand? And Atlantic Mahasagara, and ocean is going on this. And going. But sometimes one or two that trees also touch the shore. And that time, what is called? Who is making the boat? And he is taking the wood and use for the boat. And so in the same way, innumerable living entities, they are suffering, wandering in cycle of repeated birth and death, suffering. When we are suffering any disease, distress, unhappiness, then we are crying for Krishna. And sometimes jivas, they also, and they are suffering. And what you do? But some also chance when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Krishna will not give mercy actually. When same Krishna appeared in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari, Mahaprabhu, this is called Mahaprabhu's magnanimity, Mahavadannata. And that time he will give shelter. And if you come in chance, then they will be get somebody. Otherwise, not what to do. Suffering, what to do? Suffering. You also explain the what is his name? Mrigari. Mrigari, he took shelter little bit Narad Rishi. But Narad Rishi, what did he say? Hey Mrigari, you have to first break of your this bow and arrow. Then Mrigari, the hunter, he broke his bow and arrow. That means what is the significance? First you have to surrender. First you have to surrender Guru and Krishna. Then otherwise not. Just in your lip service saying, nothing. Gurudev, everything belongs to you. Your lotus feet are mine. The lip service or not? Yeah. The same way, if you not give up your own, what is called? Swatantrata, independency. How possible Guru and Krishna accept you? This is the process. How will you completely surrender to Guru and Krishna? This is the main. Sometimes coming very close, then very calm. Sometimes you are very coming very close to the shore, beach, and then another waves coming and take you very far from the. So you understand? The same way. Sometimes he was very coming very close to Guru and Krishna. Then Mayadevi is very powerful. And so pulled you far. So Narottam Das Thakur sing this song. Aneka janamer pore লয়ে ছিল ব্রজপুরে কৃপা ডোরি গলায় বাঁধিয়া দৈবী মায়া বলাৎকারে সে ডোরি খসাইয়া মোর ভবকূপে দিলক ডারিয়া. Narottam Das Thakur, very humble, he composed this verse. After after so many births, now I have come, lotus feet of Guru and Krishna. But sometimes Daivi Maya, Krishna's Daivi Maya is very powerful. For this regard, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Davi Jesa Gunamai Mama Maya Duratta Mameva Ja Prapaddante Maya Metang Taranti. My Daivi Maya is very powerful. She pulled out and take very far from Guru and Krishna. These unconditional, unlimited souls, jivas. They also in this way. And they suffering. Suffering or not? They are externally I am enjoying. Surfing is suffering. Understand? And externally broke your spine, then finish. Yeah, that's the boy. What is his name? Slowly. Enjoying sense gratification. Suffering. These 1,000 jivas, million jivas. They suffering, coming, going. Just only one hope. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will deliver from this ocean of Maya. But we have to surrender Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaurav. And if you are drowning in the water of the ocean, what you do? You have to raise your two hands. Then what is his name? Lifeguard will come and take you. Understand? This is that. Yeah. Sometimes plane crash, then and that time or your pilot, and he is also driving, he is swimming in the water. But maybe one plane will come and take. And there are many also stories explained in there. You listen or not? Sometimes they or the TV they are watch. Discovery Channel, channel. They say. They say. Very dangerous. In the same way, unlimited jivas, they are drowning in the ocean of Maya. And if they surrender, then otherwise hard to. So our only one hope, how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will give mercy to us. Gaura Kripa. And Krishna is as like Paramatma, super soul, just watching. What he is watching? All the jivas, they are suffering for their own karma. And you did bad karma, you are suffering for bad fruits of action. You did good karma. Krishna, he resides in our heart is as like Paramatma. Sakshi. Sakshi means witness. Loka Sakshi. Krishna is called Loka Sakshi. Loka Sakshi answer. He is just also witness. Not doing anything. Paramatma. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very merciful. For the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chasing behind the conditioned soul. One day I told, yesterday I already told. Dear. You understand? What is the dear? Fala.
Mahaprabhu está correndo atrás das almas condicionadas, que elas são como veados, porque o veado está no deserto indo em direção à miragem, achando que vai ter água, mas nunca tem. Acaba correndo, e fica no deserto e morre no calor. Então a gente também é uma condicionalidade que tem felicidade nesse mundo, então a gente fica correndo atrás de felicidade que nunca chega. Então a gente é como veados atrás dessa miragem. Então em inglês, veado, deer. E ao mesmo tempo as almas são como deer, são como veados, mas também são muito queridas por Mahaprabhu. Então deer, muito queridos. Então deer, queridos veados nesse sentido.
D-E-A-R, dear. Or D-double-E-R, dear. So saying, dear. Understand? So the verse, this word is Takta Sudhiswara Rajya Lokman Dharmishcha Vachasa Jadgarda Arna Mayamrigam Daitiv Siddham Annadhavadam Bandi Mahapurusate Charanarabhim. Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto. And in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna, he will appear in the form of Sachinandana Gaurhari. And how he has so much love and affection with the conditioned soul. Conditioned soul as like deer, D-E-E-R. Deer, they like each one things. How to run towards the mirage. Understand it? They are thinking the water. But the water is not there. That is all the mirage. Just making some illusion. One is called reflection or another is called mirage. Difference. Understand? Reflection, one thinks reflection is there. Or mirage is what? Not reflection. That they create one kind of illusion. And when you drive car and midday, and then you can see very close in front of your road the waves of water. Actually, that is called the illusion. And so going. In the same way, conditioned soul that enjoy sense gratification. Oh, maybe quick, I will catch. Running, chasing. In the same way, the thirsty deer running behind the mirage, and then going. We are going in where? In the desert, and more hot, and that time left his body. In the same way, conditional soul, but the jivas, they are to enjoy more sense gratification. Going, but finally, nothing. Everybody want happiness or not? But what kind of happiness? How to get happiness? These things. Then finally, nothing. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in this verse, we have the conditional soul as like deer. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much love and affection with the deer. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also chasing behind to deer. Deer chasing towards, what is it called? Mirage. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chasing behind deer. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has so much love and affection with Baddha Jivas. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking how they are suffering the three folds of Maya. Chasing. And running, raised one. Oh my, very dear Jivas, come to me. For the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he preached to the south, east, west, India, everywhere. And preach. And just Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So anyway, Takta Sudaschaja Sureshita Rajya Lakshmim Dharmistha Ajya Bachasha Jad Gardam Arnam Mayamrigam Devitam Ipsitarnam Annadhavada Bande Mahapurushate Charanaravinda Mahapurusha Chirandan Gaur. Gaur Premanand. Okay, now take prasadam. Bhagavad Mahaprasad ki jai. Are every day